Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Open Canva and sign into your account to begin a voiceover project. Choose a template or start with a blank 16:9 design for video. Set your project duration by dragging the scene length to match your script timing. Click Uploads to add audio files or select Record Voiceover to capture live audio directly in Canva. Arrange scenes in the left panel to match narration flow. Save early and often to prevent losing work while preparing your voiceover recording. Use Record Voiceover to capture live audio using either your built-in or an external microphone. Position your cursor at the scene start, then press the red record button and speak clearly into the mic. If you prefer pre-recorded audio, upload MP3 or WAV files under Uploads and drag them onto the timeline. Trim clips by selecting an audio clip and dragging its edges to shorten or lengthen playback. Position audio on the timeline so narration matches each scene start time. Adjust audio volume and apply fade in or fade out using the audio toolbar controls. Use the Enhance menu to remove background noise and normalize levels for consistent playback. Split clips on the timeline to cut mistakes or rearrange phrases for better pacing. Align narration visually by nudging clips frame by frame so voice matches each scene action. Preview the full video to confirm sync, timing, and audio balance before export. Export as MP4 for video or MP3 for audio only, and verify output levels on the final file.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.